Hands up. Show me your hands. On the ground. Get out of the ground. Do it now. 7-8. I have one at gunpoint alleyway between, I believe, 13th. Looks like they're stealing marijuana plants out of somebody's garage. Black man with white t-shirt, gray pants. I got one more male in the garage. Show me your hands right now. Show me your hands. He's backing up down the alleyway now. He just crashed into 7-8.
Back on the spring walls, he just crashed in another vehicle. He's driving away, he's dragging Aaron. We gotta get going, get going, get going.
Still on 6, speed 45 miles an hour.
With a bunch of mature pot plants.